All I want
is to lead an active life.
Through all my years.
Through all my days.
to grow like other kids.
And feel like myself again.
To win the fight against cancer.
Against heart disease.
Mental illness.
Osteoporosis.
To cure disease.
To save lives.
To work in the community.
To be productive.
To be active.
To have friends.
Lots of friends. To have my children healthy and happy.
That means everything to me.
It's all I could wish.
That's what I hope for.
That would truly be
a dream come true.
At Eli Lilly and Company, we're listening to the voices of people around the world. And to us, they speak as one. Though each is unique, together they share a common theme. They call out for solutions, answers to age-old medical problems, as well as those that have more recently come to light.
The focus of Lilly's research is to provide breakthrough medicines that meet unmet medical needs, something that advances patient care in a significant way, in a way that meets those needs that patients have, in a way that meets the needs that providers have who care for patients each and every day.
Our commitment to finding answers is one that stretches back over 125 years. Founded by Colonel Eli Lilly in 1876, our company has a rich heritage. We introduced the world's first commercially available insulin product to combat diabetes. In the 1980s, Lilly launched Humulin, the first biotechnology product for human health care.
If you go back and look at some of the things the founders of the company, Colonel Lilly himself, he founded the company in trying to differentiate Lilly from the snake oil salesman of the time and trying to make high-quality medicines based in sound science.
Today, Lilly's commitment to finding solutions is at work in more than 150 countries around the world, helping people overcome the devastating suffering of depression.
Suffering depression was the worst period in my life. Prozac gave me back my life again.
Helping people who suffer from schizophrenia find their lives again.
Schizophrenia robs you of your life and your family. I feel like I've been rescued. Zyprexa has helped me develop a more realistic outlook, and I'm experiencing a better life.
Helping men around the world overcome erectile dysfunction.
Then you lose that feeling of togetherness. It's devastating. Cialis has brought intimacy and spontaneity back to our lives.
Helping save the lives of people stricken by severe sepsis.
My kidneys quit working. My lungs were failing. I was literally on death's door. Without Zygris, I doubt that I'd be here.
There's an unmet need that we're meeting with the things that we have, and the Red Lilly has made a big difference.
We're focusing in areas of unmet medical needs, and then we use our creativeness, our knowledge about science, and we'll look for targets and compounds and find the treatment for those unmet medical needs.
We have a huge privilege being able to come close and, in a literal sense, touching people's lives with what we do, with the medicine that we make.
And I think for a lot of Lilly employees, they get up in the morning understanding that what we do makes a difference in people's lives.
Lilly products are helping people around the globe, preventing or treating the debilitating effects of osteoporosis, helping patients recover more fully from heart procedures such as angioplasty, fighting various tumors, including pancreatic and non-small cell lung cancers, and creating the first ever non-stimulant treatment for attention deficit hyperactivity disorder in children and adults. Altogether, Lilly operates research facilities in 9 countries around the world and conducts clinical trials in more than 60 countries.
We have 24 plants that are owned by Eli Lilly and Company. We have joint ventures in several companies, and we do business with third parties in somewhere around 80 different countries around the world. And we've been growing substantially to produce the products that are in our pipeline, and we will continue that growth over the course of the next 4, 5, 6 years because our pipeline is so robust.
We obviously have exceptionally strong scientific talent within this company. We also recognize that we need to connect to others who are doing interesting research. And through the alliances that we have developed, the partnerships we have developed, are only going to help us speed these cures to market so that they can begin to help people today.
Innovation is a driving force at Lilly. It has been the hallmark of the past, and it serves as the beacon for the future.
Innovation would include using the cutting-edge technology that would be available to us. For example, genomic medicine, recombinant DNA technology, high-throughput screening to improve our productivity and efficiency.
And it requires innovation, really, in all aspects of what we do. The business processes that we have running to deliver that therapeutic innovation are quite interesting and quite challenging as well.
It goes beyond technology and even the brightest minds. It requires resources. And Lilly has now for a number of years been the company that has invested the highest percentage of our sales into R&D in the pharmaceutical industry.
The company is currently investigating many promising products to help fight cancer, diabetes, osteoporosis, depression, and other conditions.
It's an exciting company to work for, and it's because of the people. I mean, we have great people, top to bottom. We push each other, we challenge each other, we congratulate each other, and we reward each other.
We hire only the best people, and we want them for a career, because making medicine, discovering medicine, selling medicine is only something you can do well and take seriously with that responsibility if you devote your life and devote your career to it.
Altogether, there are more than 41,000 Lilly employees worldwide, with manufacturing facilities in 14 countries around the world. And in every country in which we operate, Lilly has a long-standing commitment to corporate citizenship and community service. Ours is a company that is widespread and far-reaching. Yet, wherever our company reaches, we are driven by a common theme. It's a call to fight disease and save lives. That's why we pursue innovation unrelentingly and in all that we do. In truth, we are governed by a single overriding goal: to provide answers that matter. By creating medicines that solve unmet medical needs for people of all ages, in all parts of the world, and in all walks of life. For us, there is no higher mission.